guys, I do trains here, and in today's video we're just going to do a very short trains at Bournemouth. So see you when a train comes in, or this Voyager to... It says Manchester Piccadilly on the thing, but it's meant to be going to Didcot, so I don't know. But yeah, see you when something leaves or comes in. Platform 1 here, it's a Sunday, it's not going to be used because it's only used Mondays to Saturdays, it's not in use today. But yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Right guys, coming in at speed right now is 44413, also known as my stalker. And a log wheel flange, and on the back we do have 444-022 coming in to separate here at Bournemouth on their service down to Weymouth. It's a wonderful 10 coach. Voyager has switched the thing on it to Didcot Parkway now. Has come to a stop, so I'll see you when one either departs, when one departs or something else happens, so see you then. Alright guys, all the doors on the Voyager have shut. It's now powering up as well. This next station is Southampton Central. And away from the driver from 221139. And some wheel flags. Alright, see you in a minute, guys. Alright, so guys, the two units of 44413 and 44422 have now separated, so see you in a minute when one of them departs. Alright, so guys, 44413 is now departing. To continue on over to Weymouth. Well, 44422 will wait and then become a train that will head into the depot to get ready to couple up onto another one. But see you in a minute, guys. So guys, coming in now is 444-032. This one will have another service attached to the back to make a 10 coach unit. As it is only currently 5 cars and it's doing a fast to Waterloo via Guildford. (444-022) is now doing its departure to go into the depot. As 444-020 is coming to meet 444-032 and couple up. And it's 444-020. We'll see you when the trains couple up. Trains are now beginning to couple together. Not quite. They're together. Yeah. How are you doing? Yeah, both trains are now coupled together. Doors should open in a second, and then we'll go to the end of the platform to watch them depart. The two trains are now making a departure from Bournemouth. And there's the point where the two trains recently just connected. I'm sitting down because my legs hurt. Lol. And off they go. So see you in a minute when the last train of the video, or second to last, comes in. I don't know. Alright guys, we have our chocolate as well now, even though it's a really hot day. Yeah, but see you when our train comes in, on the video. Alright guys, the train is coming in. It's 444-039 again, doing the return journey to Winchester. Actually, it's first class there. Yeah, so guys, we hope you like the video. So like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.